Thinking about a spring sale? The smartest move is actually right now, but just for photos. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and here's how we stack the deck. Fall exteriors are gorgeous, color, light, and clean landscaping. Winter buys you time for small repairs, decluttering, and tidy paperwork. Spring brings returning buyers and fresher comps. In October, exteriors spruce up the landscaping and get professional photos. Grab the color, blue skies if possible. November to January, declutter in calm bursts. Schedule handyman touch-ups and gather documents. I'll guide the list. In February, pricing refresh based on the current comps. Confirm a go-live plan. March and April, launch with your best day visuals and a polished home story. Now I hear, what if the yard looks different by spring? We always lead with a best day exterior and pair it with current interior shots. Buyers understand seasons. They respond to beautiful, accurate marketing. Blow out the sprinklers, touch up trim, power wash the walkway, prune the visually dead branches, and tidy the gutters. Indoors, clean your surfaces, neutralize scents, and service the HVAC. If you want me to book your photo slot and send a step-by-step prep list, DM photos or call or text 763-257-7231. Email works too, julie@vikingshomes.com. We'll make spring feel easy.